Namaste, खुश रहो बिटिया. I JVN Dr. Ashok Kumar Jain, FPD Department from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Now today's topic is nutritional problem in nutritional nutritional problem in public health. Introduction: Nutrition is the selection of food and preparation of food and their injection to be assimilated by the baby या body. By practicing a healthy diet, many of the no health issue can be avoided. The diet of an organism is what is eat, which is largely determined by the perceived palatability of food. Determined by the perceived palatability of food. A nutritional deficiency occurs when the body does not absorb or get from food the necessary amount of a nutrient. Deficiency can lead to a variety of health problems. These can include digestion problem, skin disorder, stunted or defective bone growth, and even dementia. Type of nutritional problem: undernutritional, malnutrition, or overnutritional. Undernutritional is defined as a pathological state resulting from an absolute or relative deficiency of one or more essential nutrient. It includes protein, energy malnutrition, low birth weight, sterophthalmia, keratomalia, nutritional anemia, lethargy, endemic goiter, endemic fluorosis. Protein energy malnutrition refer to a form of malnutrition where there is inadequate protein and calories intake. It is considered as the primary nutritional problem in India, cause childhood morbidity and mortality. Condition and disease: Kwashiorkor, marasmus, marasmic kwashiorkor. Cause were contributory factor: inadequate intake of food, diarrhea, respiratory infection, measles, poor hygiene, large family size, poor maternal health, failure of lactation, premature termination of breastfeeding, delayed supplementary feeding, use of over diluted cow's milk. Kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor is the most common and widespread nutritional disorder in developing countries. It is a form of malnutrition caused by not getting enough protein in the diet. Marasmus is a severe form of the malnutrition that consists of the chronic wasting away of fat, muscles, and the other tissue in the body. Malnutrition occurs when the body does not get enough protein and calories. This lack of nutrition can range from a shortage of certain vitamin to complete starvation. Kwashiorkor and malnutrition, acute illness, infection, prolonged starvation. Marasmus, severe prolonged. Kwashiorkor, measles, trauma, sepsis. Marasmus, chronic or recurring. Kwashiorkor, protein is principal nutrition. Marasmus, calories and protein principal nutrition. Kwashiorkor, 18 months to 3 years, 6 months to 2 years. marasmus. क्वाशिकोर रैपिड व एक्यूट ऑनसेट होता है. मेरास्मस क्रॉनिक एंड लो ऑनसेट होता है. क्वाशिकोर सम वेट लॉस. मेरास्मस सीवियर वेट लॉस. क्वाशिकोर हाई मोर्टेलिटी. मेरास्मस लो मोर्टेलिटी अनलेस. Prevention: oral rehydration therapy help to prevent dehydration caused by diarrhea. Exclusive breastfeeding for 6 months. Thereafter, supplementary food may be introducing along with breastfeed. Immunization for infant and children. Nutritional supplement. Early diagnosis and treatment, promotion and correction of feeding practice, family planning and spacing of birth. Low birth weight. In a low birth weight, newborn is newborn with a birth weight of less than 2.5 kg, including 2.499 kg of gestational age. Cause and risk factor: illness and infection, short maternal status, very young age, high variety, close birth interval IUGR. Identification of mother at risk: malnutrition, heavy workload, infection, disease, and high BP. Increasing food intake of mother, supplementary feeding, distribution of iron and folic acid tablet, avoidance if smoking, improve sanitation method, improving health and nutrition of young girl, controlling infection, UTI, rubella, syphilis, or malaria. Vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A deficiency or hypovitaminosis is a lack of vitamin in blood and tissue. It is common in proper countries but rarely seen in more developed countries. Uh, Nyctalopia, night blindness, is one of the first signs of vitamin A deficiency. Xerophthalmia is a dry eyes refer to all the ocular manifestation in vitamin A deficiency. It is the most widespread and serious nutritional disorder. Reduced vision in the night or dim light, dry eyes, which could also lead to xerophthalmia. Corneal inflammation. The child or adult may experience susceptibility towards respiratory infection and urinary infection. Growth can be halted in children. Skin might also show sign of vitamin A deficiency. For example, it may get rough and or dry. Prevention and control: administering large dose of vitamin A orally on a periodic basis, regular and adequate intake of vitamin A, fortification of certain food with vitamin A, sugar, salt, tea, and skimmed milk. Nutritional anemia. Nutritional anemia is a condition where the hemoglobin content of blood is lower than normal as a result of deficiency of one or more essential nutrient, regardless of the cause of such deficiency. Inadequate diet, insufficient intake of iron malabsorption, pregnancy, excessive menstrual bleeding, hook-worm infection, malaria, close birth interval, GI bleed, infant and children, gastrointestinal bleed, pregnant woman, pre-menopausal woman. Effect of anemia: pregnancy में increase risk of maternal and fetal morbidity and mortality, abortion, premature birth, PPH, low birth weight are associated with anemia during pregnancy. Infection and anemia can be aggravated by parasitic infection like malaria and intestinal parasite. Iron deficiency may repair cellular response and immune function. Work capacity: more severe the anemia, gather the reduced in work performance. Prevention: estimation of HB to assess degree of anemia, blood transfusion in severe case of anemia, iron and folic acid supplement, food fortification with iron, changing dietary habit, control of parasite, nutritional education and awareness. Iodine deficiency disorder lead to much wider spectrum of disorder, commencing with the intrauterine life and extending through childhood to adult life with serious health and social implication. Disorder: goiter, hypothyroidism, subnormal intelligence, delayed motor milestone, mental deficiency, hearing defect, speech defect, mental retardation, neuromuscular weakness, endemic cretinism, eating disorder, anorexia, bulimia nervosa, amenorrhea, rapid dramatic weight loss at least 50% under the normal body weight, may engage in frequent strenuous or compulsive exercise, prescription of self overweight despite being told by the other they are too thin, intolerance to cold and frequent complaint of the being cold, body temperature may lower in an effort to conserve energy, hypotension and orthostatic hypotension. Treatment modalities: anorexia nervosa, pharmacotherapy, psychological therapies व bulimia nervosa, psychotherapy व TCA और SSRI. Overnutrition, skeleton fluorosis, associated with lifetime daily intake 3 to 6 mg per liter or more. Heavy deposition of fluoride in skeleton, crippling occur leading to disability. Dental fluorosis, it occurs when excess fluoride is ingested during the year of tooth calcification first 7 years of life, characterized by molting of dental enamel which have been reported above 1.5 mg per liter intake. Fluorosis seen on the incisors of upper jaw. Prevention: changing the water source, chemical defluorination, preventing use of fluoridated toothpaste, fluoride supplement not prescribed for children consuming fluoridated water. Obesity is an epidemic disease which consists of body weight that is in excess of that appropriate for person height and age, standardized to account for differences leading to an increased risk of health related problem. Body mass index, BMI is equal to weight in kilogram per height in meter into height in meter. A person with BMI 30 or more is generally considered obese. A person with a BMI equal to more than 25 is considered overweight. Nursing management, nursing diagnosis, imbalanced nutrition less than a body requirement, muscles weakness, activity intolerance, impaired fluid and electrolyte balance, impaired skin integrity, fatigue, risks for infection, risks for injury, and this is the thank you.